Hello everyone, this next video on electric uke playing is about Walk My Way by Beth Nielsen Chapman. Not the Aerosmith song. I'll try to do some Aerosmith in future, but this Walk My Way is a really pretty ballad. Chapman is a well-known American artist nobody seems to have heard of, as she's mostly written for other pop and country musicians. This song has some enjoyable acoustic fills, but we're just doing chords again for now, and that's enough. There's some tricky, stretchy fingerings and timings here and there. For lots of chords, you can play them in multiple positions or at higher octaves. And instead of a regular D minor, we have a nice sounding D minor 7 way up here on the 5th fret, barred across. Tune your uke and let's play.